Hey YouTubers, welcome back to Pro Wrenching. What we've got here is an Alpha 1 Gen 1 stern drive that I just reattached to my boat. It's hooked to a Mercruiser 260 engine, and I previously drained out the oil of the lower unit. So today I'm going to get it filled back up. And what I've got here is the Quicksilver Marine Gear Lube, 90 weight. And I purchased this with a convenient pump. And what you do is you pump the lower unit oil in through the bottom, through the fill hole, and you want to pump it till it fills up and goes all the way up here to the vent. And when it starts running out of the vent, then you know you've got your lower unit full of oil. So I'm going to remove the vent screw, and then I'm going to remove the lower fill screw. And we'll try to get this threaded in here. Okay, we've got it screwed in there, and now it's got a hand pump, and we're just going to start pumping that lower unit oil in there. Now, depending on which lower unit you have, these Mercruisers usually take between 1 and around 2 quarts, but you just want to keep filling them up until it comes out of that vent. So this quart was only partially full, and so got a new quart here. We're going to continue filling. And now we've got it filled up where it's running out of the vent tube. Give it an extra squirt just for good measure. Get it running out of there good. And now you're going to want to install the plug back in the vent fill hole. You do that, and that will kind of hold the oil in place as you take out the bottom fill and put the bottom fill screw back in. Find our bottom fill screw and get it ready. And now we're going to unscrew our fill tube. And you'll lose a little bit of oil, but not much, as long as you've got that upper fill vent screw in. And there you go. That's how you refill the lower unit. And look in the description, and I'll have a link to the products that I use. And I'll say that this Quicksilver synthetic 90 weight high performance gear lube is a recommended gear lube for these high horsepower Mercruisers. And it's handy to have that pump come with it. It'll let you install it and get the job done for you. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.